In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Interactive Broker's recurring investment. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to sign in to your web client portal, and then from here, you want to click on the trade button up top, and you want to click on recurring investments. Whenever you do that, it's going to take you to this specific page over here, and then you can go ahead and just create a recurring investment like this. So you want to click on this button, which says create, and then from here, it's going to allow you to actually create one. First, there's going to be the symbol search. So you want to basically search for the asset you want to recurring invest into. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to search for Apple for this example. Of course, make sure you do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to actually do this in here with, of course, your account. So select whatever you want here. Do your own research before you do so. Click on it and then you'll have to select it again. So here it says stock. I'm going to click on stock. It's going to refresh and Apple has been added. You have to put on the start date. So for me, it's going to be tomorrow over here. And then the amount. So I'm just going to do 10 over here. So let's do 10 euros or dollars. And then here you have the interval. So you have to choose your interval. It can be daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually over here. That's completely up to you. I'm just going to do weekly for now for this tutorial. And then you can do ending on or after, and you can select either a specific date or a number of installments. I'm just going to do specific date, and I'm going to do no end date because if I ever want to cancel this, I'm going to go ahead and do this manually. Now over here where it says end date, if you don't check this box, you can of course set the end date if you want it to end, for example, like a few months from now. Now here you can then click continue. And whenever you do this, there we go. This is basically going to be the review of your recurring investment, and it's going to show you how it's going to look like. And then after that, you can just go ahead and save it, and that's how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.